How to fix Facebook app not updating newsfeed. So if you want to fix your Facebook app not updating your newsfeed, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Because if you don't have an internet connection, then you might face some kind of problems. And after that, you need to go with your Play Store or your App Store. Go with search. Under search, you need to search for Facebook. And once you search for Facebook, if you have any updates under your Facebook, you need to tap on update and update your application. Once you've updated, then your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to find your Facebook, tap and hold on to your Facebook application, go with the app info, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now your problem might be fixed, or if that doesn't, then you need to restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button and tap on restart, and after restarting, you can open up your Facebook, log into your account, and it will update your newsfeed. That's how you can fix your Facebook app not updating your newsfeed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.